Ready na ba kayo?
Yes, of course, we're ready.
So,
Finally, makakapag-dance hall na
yes.
kami. Katapos namin mag-contemporary and a waltz and everything, and
Yes.
what happened to us? What a journey in stars on the floor.
Yeah, ngayon lang kayo ulit nag-street dance style, no? The rest, puro traditional, puro, very elegant.
Yes.
So ngayon, babomba tayo ng todo. So,
Bomba!
yung dancehall natin, very intense siya. Leaning more on the king style side or the badman style of
Badman.
dancehall. So we'll be using a lot of gun moves. So yung mga vocabs natin sa dancehall na may gestures ng gun. And also marami tayong levels when it comes to dancing, and yung paggamit natin ng body waves natin talagang mas malaki pa talaga. For sure, panibagong experience na naman sa'yo since nakapag-dancehall ka na before, and ikaw din. And I think yung kinaibahan nito is talagang mas marami tayong gagawin na pasabog talaga.
Let's go, sumabog na tayo.
Okay, game. Tara na. Punta tayo sa Gunman Skank. Yes. So from there, we go 5, 6, 7, slowly, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. Okay, from there, didiretso tayo sa dito sa badman forward. Sige, move muna konti. So from here, ito yung last position nyo. Kailangan ko lang kayo mag right, left, jump, and yes. So papunta dyan sa blocking na yan, etong parang triangle natin. Okay? Tapos nakaharap pa rin tayo dito. And then dito pa lang tayo magda-down. Pero wag natin gawin ng buo. Mag-shoot lang tayo and gawin natin yung switch ng blocking. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan, nag-switch lang tayo. And then shanty center. Kami ni Jao. And then we will do wheelie bounce to the left. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and reach to the left side. Reach. Tapos lagay lang sa chin. Bounce. 5, 6. Yes, from here, 5, 6. Shanti will do 7, 8. So medyo mabilis siya. 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah. So from going down, from nasa baba tayo, Jao. Tatayo lang tayo. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Okay, let's try to do that from here, very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Iba pala siya, guys, no?
Love it!
Kapag nagko-coach ka lang and nagko-choreo ka lang, it's another thing kapag kasama ka na dun sa pyesa na yun. And I think, although for sure naman, malaki yung trust nila sa akin.
Of course.
Pero siguro ako bilang ang more on work ko dito is talagang nagtuturo talaga sa inyo. So
Thank
medyo
you for
ako
the
yung
teach.
nagbibigay ng pressure sa sarili ko na ang tagal mo di sumayaw.
Don't
Puro
worry,
katuro,
Coach,
tapos
because-
yan.
Yes.
Woo! Pero pupush natin yan, guys. Syempre, bihira lang din naman tayo sumayaw dito sa show natin. And gusto ko lang din sila bigyan ng experience na hindi nila makakalimutan dito sa show. At isa na to doon, yung routine na to. Kasi very close to my heart since dancehall talaga po yung style ko. Fun fact! So, sa show natin, guys, we have 3 royalties sa dancehall community.
Whoa.
Yes. So, April, Coach April is a dancehall queen ng Philippines and ng Asia.
Period!
Yes. And then Coach LA is also a dancehall king ng Philippines. And me also, dancehall king Philippines and Asia.
May nakalimutan ka, Coach. Meron pang dalawang dance. Dance Hall Prince,
and
Dance
Soul
Hall Prince.
Princess! Yun.
I love it.
I'm just happy din na sila to kasi matagal na gusto ni Jao talaga mag-pursue ng dancehall. And si Shanti, yung first win niya is dancehall with me.
Dancehall,
With
yes.
Joker and me. So, very excited kami.